Apple's software update, iOS 14.5, has changed the way people advertise on Facebook and Instagram. Here's my top tip for how you can get around these changes to lessen the impact on your campaign performance. So iOS 14.5 essentially gives Apple users the option to opt out of being tracked from apps to other sites and services. Facebook and Instagram are unfortunately part of this, and as a result, it's impacted the way that Facebook and Instagram can process data. Some of the most crucial data that we need as social media advertisers is the ability to build and retarget website traffic, and also the ability to track conversions that are happening on the website. And unfortunately, if people opt out of being tracked, then they're opting out of this as well. So the best way to get around this is, instead of relying on browser events through a Facebook pixel, what you can do is actually create a server-to-server connection through what Facebook calls is their Conversions API. There's 3 ways that you can get this implemented that I'm aware of that we use with our clients, and they are: 1, basically reconnecting your Shopify, and then you're going to see that they're using the Conversions API. It's a recent update they did. You've also got WooCommerce, which has its own extension that you can hook up, so it's also going to connect to the API. And then we also use a third-party WordPress plugin called Pixel Your Site, and with the paid version, they also connect to the Conversions API. This is really going to help you increase the performance and the transparency of the performance of your campaigns. So if you haven't got it now, I'd recommend go researching them.